So, hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully, you all are doing very well. Welcome back to my new video. Today's topic is how to use the Google Authenticator app for Binance. Alright, let's quickly start our video. First, you all need to open your Binance app. After opening, see up here, you should see the Binance logo. Alright, you need to click on the Binance logo. After clicking, look here, you need to click on your user ID. After doing that, you will find the option for security below. You need to click on security. After clicking, you will see the option for the Authenticator app. You need to click on this. After clicking, you will see the option to enable it below. You need to click on this. After doing this, see your own which you need to copy the link. After copying, simply open your Authenticator app. After opening, click on the plus icon you will find. We set it up here, so we copied the link of the key. Click on it. Here, I am giving the code as Binance. Alright, you need to copy your link on the key. After copying, add it here, so I am pasting this code. Then go to the Binance app again. Click next here. After clicking next, paste it here. Then submit. Alright, so our verification on the Authenticator app is done for Binance. So guys, if you are liking our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.